All right, guys, I've had a couple folks have some issues trying to find just the work they need to do and what work they might be missing, particularly if they've let themselves get behind and have several assignments that they might owe me. So there's a couple ways to get into it. So first of all, there's the normal go into a class way. So you go into your class and you see your stream, and the stream has everything. It has announcements, it has work, all sorts of stuff. That can be too much for folks. A couple ways you can go. You can go to your classwork tab, which will focus on just the assignment parts. If you can go by topic, remember the current stuff is all week of. But if you're not sure what weeks you might owe me, the other way to go in classwork is view your work. If you hit view your work, it's going to show you all the assignments that have been posted. The newest stuff will be at top, and then you'll see the status of that assignment. So assigned means it's been assigned, but it's not due yet. So either it has no due date or the due date is not yet passed. If it's missing, then you didn't turn it in, the due date has passed. If you've got some missing stuff that you know you did, check and see, because there's a couple things that you have to do on external websites like a Nearpod. It's not going to automatically tell you that you did it. Hit the mark as done button if the missing is going to bug you, just to help you keep better track. If it's turned in, but you realize you did something wrong, remember you can go in, view details, hit unsubmit, unsubmit, and then when you go back to your classwork, which it won't let me do directly. So when you go back to your classwork, it'll show it as assigned. Do remember, if you need to add things, edit things, that all comes here. So since I can't go directly back to classwork, I can show you the other way to get to classwork. So if we go back to classes, our main screen, and find this class again, instead of having to click on the class, click on the classwork tab, click on the My Work, you can actually go directly to My Work for the given class. So now that I unsubmitted that one's back to assigned. This one's turned in. This one's missing, which means it's past its deadline. So remember, you're looking for the stuff that says week of in the assignment name. That's all the stuff from distance learning. Your top priorities are the stuff from the week of 4, 6, and on. That's when we officially started taking grades. It's not going to hurt you to go back and do the other things. I'm going to count those in your favor when I'm trying to determine your pass-fail for this time. But 4, 6, and on is your top priority. Don't freak out about stuff being late because it's all pass-fail and because things have been weird and people are still trying to get used to stuff. I'm more concerned with you trying the assignment, with you doing your best and getting it in than whether it's late. And remember, as long as you made reasonable effort, I'm going to give you a pass on things. But you got to make reasonable effort. You got to get the assignment done, or at least mostly done. All right, hopefully this helps you guys. So remember, you're either going to go in the class as usual, click classwork, click my work, or just on the main screen, click the little person icon. That's going to be your work directly. All right, let me know if you've got any questions.